mean, we're at a 1 minute white zone, so I'm going to give it a shot. We could have waited for a 5 minute trend trade, which is 10 pips higher. All right, but I figure I'm going to give this white zone a shot. Now it has been coming up pretty good, but we look like we're starting to get a little bit of a few candles that are finding some resistance here right at the white zone. I like that. Now if the white zone shrinks, which very well could happen, means we could get a move a little bit higher, closer to that 5 minute box. All right, but I'm willing to jump in here. Sean's in at 77. Cash is in with me. All right, very good. Dixie's in. All right, let's make some pips. Now, what I like to do is go ahead and move out to a 5 minute chart now that we're in. I don't want to get too emotionally attached to every tick I see, all right? So what I want to see now is we've got 1 minute and 10 seconds for this candle to close. Now, I didn't enter based on a 5 minute candle. I entered based on a 1 minute. If I entered based on 5 minute, I probably wouldn't have been in yet because this thing is still moving up on a 5 minute. All right, but what we want to see is we've got about 45 seconds left for this candle to close. I want to see this candle close, and I want to see this price action of the next candle really use the high of this current candle we're in as resistance. In other words, not break above. Hey, Joe, what's happening? Good to see you, sir. Now, I also like this euro-dollar look here as well. All right, I'll tell you what I like about it is we've cracked under our L7 on the 5 minutes, a 5 minute L1, L7 cross here. This would be, they might consider this the first test, and it didn't really touch, but, this probably up in the 30s area looks really good. All right, look, our cable's starting to work. Let's keep an eye on that. All right, so our candle has closed, and look, I like what it did. It actually closed with the tall wick. Now it hasn't. What I'd like to see now is this next candle to break below this low of this candle. But I like it when it was a tall candle. Right at the last minute, the wick formed. In other words, the candle came down near the open and closed with a tall shadow wick. So if this candle can close lower, well, then we're looking pretty good already. We're up about 4, up 6, up 7. There we go. Come on, keep dropping. Cash took 7. I'm up about 7 and change. All right, it's a way to start it off. I'm out 71. Take a quick 7, get it started, and just go right back at it. All right, Brad took +7. Very good.